SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is a well-established architectural design firm located in Thiruvananthapuram. With a team of highly skilled and experienced architectural designers, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd has been delivering exceptional architectural designs for various projects in Thiruvananthapuram and beyond. The architectural designers at SCON Design India Pvt Ltd are known for their innovative and creative approach towards designing spaces. They have a deep understanding of architectural principles and strive to create designs that are not only visually appealing but also functional and sustainable. Whether it is residential, commercial, or institutional projects, the team at SCON Design India Pvt Ltd ensures that every design reflects the unique needs and aspirations of their clients. What sets SCON Design India Pvt Ltd apart from other architectural design firms in Thiruvananthapuram is their commitment to excellence and attention to detail. The designers pay close attention to every aspect of the design process, from conceptualization to execution, to ensure that the final product exceeds the client's expectations. They work closely with the clients throughout the entire design process, taking into consideration their preferences, budget, and timeline. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd also leverages the latest technology and software tools to enhance their design process. They utilize computer-aided design (CAD) software to create accurate and detailed 2D and 3D models of their designs. This enables the clients to visualize the final outcome before the construction begins, helping them make informed decisions. If you are in need of architectural designers in Thiruvananthapuram, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is a reliable choice. Their team of talented designers will work closely with you to create a design that not only meets your requirements but also exceeds your expectations. With their expertise and commitment to excellence, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is dedicated to delivering high-quality architectural designs that stand the test of time. Explore our exceptional architectural designs by highly skilled and experienced designers in Thiruvananthapuram and beyond. Contact us for innovative and functional designs for your projects.